Today I'm going to show you how wireless charger is made, and I have already made this process how it's going to work. So I'm going to tell you the process first. First of all, we have taken a charges and we have cut that into two, one from the charging point and one from the phone point. And then we have aluminum foil with us. Then we also have a copper wire and electrical tape. So what I have done is, first of all, I have stick the magnet on the head of this charger, so like this. And for this, what I have done is, I have taken out the red and the black wire, and first I have wrapped it with the aluminum foil with this one, and after that I have wrapped it with copper wire, and after that I have wrapped it with the tape so you don't get any kind of shock. So this is done. So for this, I have again taken out the red and the black wire. First I wrapped it with the aluminum foil and then with the black electrical tape, and after that again I have wrapped it with the copper wire. So this is going to go into phone and this is going to go into the electrical board. So let's see how it is going to work. So I'm putting this into the electrical board. Let's see guys how it works. I'm switching on the board right now. So just wanted to tell you that this wireless charger, which I have checked on the YouTube and tried to make it myself at home, but it's not working. So here I want to tell you one thing guys, that whatever you see on YouTube is not genuine. I tried doing this at home and I've already spoiled my good charger here. See, the button is on, the switch is on, but the phone is not getting charged. So I want to tell you that whatever you see on internet, on YouTube, it's not genuine. First of all, please check the authenticity and the genuinity of the video, and also read the comments what people have written, so that you get to know that the video which is being shown, it's correct or not. So guys, this video of making a wireless charger is a fake and it doesn't work in reality. So please don't fall for it. Thank you for watching video.